Hi everyone. I'm going to finish part 2 today of the heater. Please like, subscribe. It will really help. I've been doing it to other people that post and I see they got channels. I subscribe and I've been watching their stuff and that. So this is part 2. Yeah, I'm back at that again. B for back, T for top got me. Should be F for front, but hey, who knows? Well, that's a real clear shot. Put a piece of sprue in between there to keep it from collapsing, so I can glue on the front. I gotta do the sides and the bottom in the front yet. As you can, the body is mounted to the bottom plate of the car, actually the front frame of the car, to protect the front disc brakes and that, because the front wheels will turn left and right. And I'm afraid I would ham-fistedly knock them off. Never happened yet. What I'm doing is getting the width of the angle at that base on the main fan housing. Then I'll taper it from there. There's 70 parts that I made for the front end of the suspension alone, and that leaf springs, A arms, thing. I don't even know what they call it. Thing that holds the axle. The metal axle was cut and then stuffed into a hole that I had to make a bushing for out of plastic, and all the suspension, the coilovers, everything. The heat shield, I didn't even count that. Both heat shields, the plumbing in that, and I don't. Yes, it's painted. I did do the front of the radiator, which I think I might make a separate video on how to do that, because aircraft, just about everything uses a radiator now. So if you ever want to scratch build, you kind of got to know how to do that, or have an idea. What I do doesn't mean it's right. There's other guys out there that's better than me. What am I making? Whatever it is, I'm deburring it. Oh, it's a gun sight. Corvettes have gun sights? No, it looks like a ship's wheel. It's a safety shield over the squirrel cage fan, and it's like race car drivers can't help but stick their finger in there when it's across the car. But anyway, that's what it is. Like you didn't know that. This idea fails miserably. Yep, get rid of it. New idea. Something I know what I'm doing with. Wire and solder. The old standbys. Just lining everything up with the solder. Yay, that's about done. Putting the center button in. I didn't have it where I painted it because I actually mounted it in the car. I did exactly what I usually don't do, and so I have a photo at the end that'll be shown, so you'll see what it kind of looks like. All right, thank you guys for watching.